so it's time for another unboxing video. I've been getting a few PR packages since my birthday and I haven't really opened anything yet. So let's open and let's unbox. First up, we have this guy. Now this is from L'Occitane. What do we have here? It's got my name on it. So it is mine, guys, not lying. What do we have here? Okay, so we have the shower oil and we have one more product. This looks interesting. Can't wait to try these. Thank you, guys. Then we have another beauty package. Love the lip packaging. I'm not trying to remove my badass on it, guys. It's just not. I'm cutting in the wrong places. There we go. Okay, so this one is from Typsy Beauty. Their products are really usually very pretty. We've done some stuff in the past where I've unboxed some of their stuff. These are some of their lipsticks, which look pretty cool. Okay, this is a lip and cheek oil. This is interesting because I feel like it's clear. Just gonna swatch it on my hand because I want to just see the consistency right now. And this blazing copper, this actually looks really nice. So their packaging is actually really pretty amazing. So if you see this, it's like a little bullet and it's really beautiful. Yeah, the consistency of their stuff is actually really amazing. And if you see this, oh, so the lip oil changes color. Like, it looks translucent here, but if you see the swatch, it's become pink. This is really cool. And there's also some other stuff. They have two tiny lipsticks here, I think. Oh my god, the size of these are so cute. Like, look at them. Like, for scale, look at my finger. Like, look at this, guys. It's a baby lipstick. For scale, look at my hand. And look, this is the full size. Like, isn't that crazy? Oh my god. This is really cute. Okay, this is actually a great size for your handbag and stuff. I'm actually really digging these. Like, I would love to use these. These are so cute. Okay, I have to move on. Thanks, guys. These are all going to be used. And guys, maybe I'll do a giveaway for you guys as well with some products. Let me know in the comments. It's been a while since we've done a giveaway. Maybe I can do like a Shroffers giveaway for you guys. Then we have this guy. This is from Bacardi. I wonder what this is. What do we have here? So we have a candle and we have, is this like candied like fruit? Yeah, I think it is. Ginger Bacardi. Okay, this is really cool. I have never actually tried a ginger flavored rum. I do like Bacardi a lot. Like, my dad and me like dark rum and we drink a lot of it with like Coke. Not a lot of it, but just the right amount of it with Coke. And if you're under the drinking age, then just ignore this. But yeah, this is really cool. I can't wait to try this. My dad is actually going to enjoy this more. And today's Parsi New Year, so maybe we can open it. Then we have something from my friends at Hidesign. Now, they are one of the first few brands that I actually worked with, guys. Like, way back in the day, like what, 9 years ago, I guess. Like, one of the first few brands that I collaborated with. Love the team, and they always think of me, and I'm always trying my best to support them because I love what they stand for and what they do. What do we have here? Oh, it's a t-shirt. Actually, they do a lot of campaign t-shirts which are really comfy. Like, I've got quite a few. So this is my new t-shirt and it's nothing but the truth. It's not easy being cool, guys. It really is not. And if you find out, tell me how it is because I'm not cool. No, but it's really cool, really soft. And yeah, there's a fun detail on the back as well. Can't wait to wear this. Thanks, guys. The little orange bag that excites everybody. Okay, so Hermes launched their beauty line in India while I was in Malaysia when I was shooting for the travel show, and I missed it. But the team very sweetly has sent me some of the products to try, and I really can't wait to try them. So yeah, This is really sweet. Thank you guys. We have a card, and what do we have? Now the packaging on these products is very like luxe and high-end, very clean, very nice looking. Okay, let's see what we have. First up, we have a lovely hand cream. I actually really like hand cream, so I cannot wait to try this. Just gonna put on a bit because I don't want to waste it. This is the good stuff. This smells divine, guys. Smells so good. Then we have some nail polish. Oh my god, it's in the cutest tiny Hermes orange box. Look at this. Look at how cute this is. You know what I'm going to do with these? I'm going to save all these little boxes and they're going to go as gifts under my Christmas tree with my other baby gifts. Oh, lovely shade. Nice size. It's quite a big bottle. I am not going to attempt to paint my own nails because you guys know I suck at that. Also, reminder to myself to chop my nails. I know my claws are ridiculous right now. But I've been like saying I will go to the salon, I will go to the salon, I will go to the salon, and I'm here filming a video. So it is what it is. Then we have another little orange box for my collection. This is lipstick. Okay, the packaging on this is insane. Like there's a little sleeve and it's just so beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Like this is definitely the most beautiful packaging I've seen on a lipstick. And it's the most beautiful pink. Oh my god. I cannot wait to use this. This is perfect for me. It's like a shade I would use all the time. It's so pretty and so pink. And like there's actual weight in the packaging, you know, like it feels heavy and it feels luxe, and I'm very excited about this. Then we have a blush. I want to just get more makeup and stuff just to have my mini collection of orange boxes. This is very exciting for me. So it's a really pretty pink. I feel like I'm going to be using a lot of this stuff, which is really nice. We have one more lipstick. This is the last product. And for anyone that's wondering about prices, let me also tell you guys that since this is a PR unboxing, the lipsticks are 6,100, but yeah, of course, keep in mind that Hermes is a luxury brand and the quality of this stuff is insane. You can see the packaging, you know, of everything, the lipsticks. Wow, this is a nice red. Same packaging as earlier, but like, yeah, just really, really pretty. And I feel like I'm going to get a lot of use out of all of this makeup because it looks really pretty. And this is a nice pinky red. Like it's not a red, like I've just done a very light coat, but you can see it's not like a red, it's like a pinky red. This is definitely one of the most like beautiful pieces of makeup that I've unboxed. Like I've not seen such kind of packaging on anything. Even the actual product packaging, and it's all magnetic, as you can see, it just goes cut. It is all really, really beautiful. Thanks guys, I can't wait to use all of this. Then we have this. This is from Aveda. They have sent me some shampoos. So you guys know I love the Nutriplenish range that they have. This is the light moisture. So their shampoos lately have become like my staple. I think I've used all of their different variants and I like them all. And this guy has just shown up, guys, like literally while I was filming. This one has just come. So this is the hottest, freshest unboxing you will see. Are you ready? I'm very excited. It must be very precious because it's packaged so well. So that makes it more exciting. Feels like I'm opening a present, like quite literally. Feels like someone has sent me a birthday present. It's so beautifully wrapped. This is from the Right Sided, and they have sent me the most beautiful, sweet little long note about if I'm having a great time with Mars in the Mumbai rains. Mars is right here, sitting here, and this is your note. I think I know what this is and I'm very excited about it, guys. Okay, I'm gonna get this out. Are you ready? Look at this beauty. Oh my god. Okay, like this has to be one of the most beautiful handbags that I own for sure. Okay, so they personalized this for me to fit my phone in because it was a little smaller when they sent me an image of this, and I was like, guys, can you make it bigger so my phone could fit in? And this is so beautiful. Like, this is definitely one of the most beautiful handbags I own, guys. Can't wait to style this. Thank you. Okay, last but not the least, we have an invitation. So I actually missed this event. This is Amadeo, which is by OBEROI, that's opened at the Nita Ambani Cultural Center in BKC, and they sent me this really beautiful package which smells divine. Okay, so you have, I don't even need to open this. This smells so good. I cannot wait to come to the restaurant, and I can't wait to use these. Thank you, guys. So guys, those are all the packages that I had to unbox today. I feel like they were less than usual, but I still felt like I had collected quite a few and I wanted to do this. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. Comment below with your favorite package from today. Which was your favorite? I can't say which one was mine. Which was yours?